So we have created MySQL with root user, and now we need to create a user Ubuntu on MySQL. So let us do that. So let me clear the screen, and then we need to log in MySQL again. Okay, and then there is a script you need to run. Create user, then the name of the user, and then add, then localhost. Okay, and then identified by, I need to put the password. So this is the password. You no need to share the password if you are in the production. Okay, and then let me hit. So user creation is done. So let me grant all permission, grant all privilege. On, I need to put it on like star dot star to again the username, and again localhost. Okay, and then with grant option. Okay, so this is the grant all privilege on to this user with grant option. So let me hit that, and then we need to flush privilege. This command we need to put. Okay, so let me exit from here and then log in with the Ubuntu user, the new user. So that is the Ubuntu user. Okay, MySQL -new, then username, then -p. Okay, you need to enter the password. So I have put my password, and you can see I have already logged in. Okay, so show databases, you can see the databases. Okay, so this is how you can add a user to MySQL. Okay, so if you can grant a permission also. So this is the step. So if you like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.